You have to travel to Oregon.
Yeah, you guys.
Waterfalls.
You have to go to Oregon, and
For the kids,
you
for the
guys,
family.
you guys can see the beauty of the waterfalls in Oregon. So yeah, I just want you guys to come one day here and visit the beauty. Cool trees. These are really tall trees. Yep, really tall trees. So, I'll tell you guys when we're in the other waterfall. If we're going there, if we're not, then we'll see where we're going next. So yeah, and it's always peace. All right, guys. So we went to the other fall, and you can't see nothing. That's pretty bumming and stunning, but it's disappointing. But I guess I have to get going. Alright guys, so we just made it. Oh my god, I'm tired. They're over there. I'm in the back. And something that I like about here is the trees. Danger. Do not go beyond this point. Can't read today. I think I'm really like just imagine you fall down but with a parachute. So like it's mostly like you're like skydiving but in a big canyon. That's kind of stupid, but no offense. So the river comes from right here and then reaches its point. It reaches his point that it's down there, all the way down there. So that's like 114 of the height. So that's pretty tall and stuff. And the river comes from right here and it goes down. So yeah, see you guys when I'm doing something else, and peace.
Yeah.
Yummy, run, come on.
She is my sister.
Yep.
Careful, Ma.
Cute. She's cute.
Those little sandals.
Little sandals right there. Like what are those?
It's like a Mexican sandal, dude.
What are those?
The real Mexican sandals.
What are those?
They're real. Over here.
So the people left us behind.
Come on. Mira, allá puedes grabar, Dani. Right there.
The people left us behind, and we're all alone.
Right there.
So we're going down the river that goes to the waterfall.
Down.
Oh! Wow! Look, you wanna go down there?
Wow.
Wow. So if you guys don't know what is cuckoos, that's like.
The guys.
Oh my God! What is
The
that?
guys. Cuckoo.
Sorry, cuckoo. And what the? Oh!
No, ahí no pele, mamá.
Almost fell down here. Beauty in Oregon.
Let's go. Let's go.
So yeah, I'm gonna be a parkour person. And yeah, let's see. Oh shoot. Oh god damn. Oh, you fell down.
Careful.
You fell down. You fell down, baby.
Fell.
Baby.
Vete, Yami.
You fell down, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Oh my god.
Mami, let's go. Let's go, Mami.
He was attempting to do the orange justice, and he can't do it. I am so good at doing the orange justice. Like, look at this. Look how I do the orange justice. Are you doing poo poo? God. Oh my God.